Hey there! Quick question. Have you ever walked into a restaurant, looked at the menu, and suddenly forgot every English word you knew? Yeah, me too. Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be able to order food at a restaurant in English with total confidence, from table for two all the way to check please. Sound good? Let's do it. Welcome back to Daily Speak, the English podcast where we learn real, everyday English, one conversation at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm so happy you're here. If you're new, hit that subscribe button so we can practice together every single day. All right, let's jump in. Part 2, Why It Matters, plus Walking In. So, why are we learning restaurant English? Because food is everywhere. Traveling, a date, a business lunch, or just grabbing a coffee, you'll use these words all the time. And the good news? It's just a few simple phrases. Let's start from the very beginning, walking through the door. The host greets you and asks, "How many people?" You can say, "Table for two, please." Or just me, please. Easy, right? Part 3. Sometimes the restaurant is busy. The host might say, "It'll be about 10 minutes." Just smile and say, "No problem, we'll wait." If you booked ahead, you can say, "I have a reservation under Alex." And if you'd like a special spot, try, "Could we sit by the window?" Soon, they'll say, "Right this way," and walk you to your table. Part 4. Looking at the menu plus asking questions. Okay, now you're at the table, looking at the menu. Need a little time? Just say, "Can I have a minute, please?" Don't understand something on the menu? No problem. Ask, "What's in this dish?" Or, "Is this spicy?" And here's a magic question. What do you recommend? The waiter will love that, and you'll discover something delicious. Part 5. Dietary needs plus special requests. Now, this part is really important. If you have allergies or special needs, always speak up. You can say, "I'm allergic to nuts." "I'm vegetarian." Or, "Do you have any vegan options?" Want to change something? That's totally fine. Try, "Can I get that without onions?" Or, "Could I swap the fries for a salad?" Polite, simple, and clear. Part 6. Ordering food plus drinks. All right, you're ready to order. You have 3 easy options. I'll have the chicken pasta. Can I get a cheeseburger? Or, I'd like the grilled salmon, please. All 3 are perfect. Pick whichever feels natural. And for drinks, can I get a glass of water? Or, I'll have a coffee, please. See how often we use please? That little word makes you sound polite and friendly. Let's practice one. Repeat after me. I'll have the chicken pasta, please. Nicely done. Part 7. During the meal. Your food arrives. The waiter might ask, "Is everything okay?" You can say, "Yes, it's delicious, thank you." Need something? Just ask politely. Could I have some more water? Can I get some napkins, please? And if something's wrong, stay calm and kind. Excuse me, I think this is the wrong order. Or, sorry, could you heat this up a little? Polite always wins. Part 8. Paying the check plus tipping. You're all done. Time to pay. In American English, we say the check. Just say, could I have the check, please? Or, can we get the bill? Paying by card? Can I pay by card? Splitting with a friend? Can we split the bill? And in the US, tipping is normal, usually 15 to 20%. You can simply say, keep the change, a friendly way to leave a tip. Part 9. Common mistakes plus bonus phrases. Now, let me save you from a few common mistakes. Mistake 1. Saying, I want. I want a burger sounds a little rude. Instead, say, I'd like, or I'll have. Much more polite. Mistake 2. Forgetting please and thank you. These two little words make a huge difference. Always use them. Mistake 3. Panicking when you don't understand. Just smile and say, sorry, could you repeat that? Even native speakers say it. Now, a few bonus phrases to sound like a native. Can I get this to go? That means takeaway. I'm just looking, thanks. When you need more time. That hit the spot. It means the food was really satisfying. Repeat after me. Can I get this to go? Could I have the check, please? Beautiful. Part 10. Practice plus homework plus outro. Okay, now it's your turn. This is the most important part, so don't skip it. I'll give you a situation, and you say the phrase out loud. You walk in with one friend. Ask for a table. You're ready to order a pizza. You have a nut allergy. Tell the waiter. You finished eating and want to pay. Awesome. You're doing great. Now here's your homework. In the comments below, order your favorite meal in English. Start with, I'll have, or can I get? I read every comment, and I'd love to see what you order. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to practice a little every day. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe to Daily Speak so you never miss a lesson. I'm Alex. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye for now.